नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respect. Today the first truth, powerful cognition. I wanted all of you to work with. I wanted to reveal it to all of you. I wanted all of you to manifest. Listen very carefully. Because every time when a powerful cognition is initiated, when it enters into your being, the way you just internalize it, grasp it, your whole being will flower. Your whole being will flower. Listen carefully. I'm going to utter this. The sound which can be heard without using your ears, light which can be seen without using your eyes, orgasm which can be experienced without using your body. Listen carefully. The taste which can be tasted without using your tongue. The smell which can be smelled without using your nose is pure consciousness. Meditate on this. Understand? Listen carefully. This is directly from Upanishad. Contemplate, meditate on this powerful cognition. The light which can be perceived without using my eyes, that extraordinary light, the sound of the cosmos which can be experienced without using my ears, the taste of the cosmos which can be experienced without using my tongue, the smell of the cosmos which can be experienced without using my nose, the orgasm of the cosmos, life of the cosmos which can be experienced without using my body. Let me experience that. Let me be established in that. Let that manifest as me, in me, fill me. Meditate on this powerful cognition. I'll explain now. First, I gave you the powerful cognition. It is such powerful. Spiritual umbilical cord to Kailasa. Understand? Blessed are those who keep simple simple integrity with Guru. Understand? Nothing is needed from you. Just keep your simple integrity alive. Washington DC, Kailasa, Washington DC, Meena Joshi has put a post. Oh, simple integrity doesn't seem to be simple. No, it is simple. Understand? She has logically presented, saying, oh, because in one satsang I said, during describing simple integrity with my Guru, I decided to be with him even if there is no life after that. Understand very deeply. I was so clear. He is such an embodiment of life. There cannot be death. So I am ready to handle even the threat or the fear, blackmailing of the mind, which may claim I will not have life if I stay with the Guru. Understand very clearly. There is a beautiful story by Ramakrishna. Ramakrishna asks Vivekananda, if you get a huge cup of nectar, how will you drink? Vivekananda says, I'll become like a bee and sit in one corner and sip. Ramakrishna says, why? Why don't you just fall into it and drink? Vivekananda says, no, I may die. Ramakrishna laughs and says, fool, how can you die by drinking nectar, amrita? So your visualization of a bee or a fly falling into the milk and dying, you are trying to push the same onto the reality of nectar cup and trying to sip from one corner. Understand? That is what exactly Meena Joshi is trying to do. Understand? Meena Joshi, this satsang is for you. How can you die by falling into the cup of nectar? No, even if the one drop of nectar goes inside, you become immortal. After that, you roll in the cup of nectar and swim, do everything, it will only be more and more powerful. So, how can I die if I decide to sit with the Master now, who is life? Understand very clearly. If you understand this truth, you will realize integrity is not vow, it is power. Sitting with Master is not commitment, it is love affair. This shift is all is required. Obedience to Master is not losing what you want, but gaining all the best things he has. Understand? Whenever I need to convince somebody for the great vision I have for them, I keep that as in the back burner. Oh, I need time to sit and convince that guy that the great vision and I have for him and the great future I am planning for him. Because first of all, you need to be convinced I am going to do good to you, good to him. But whoever has a simple obedience, I just call them first and finish all of them first. All right, hey, this is the vision I have for you. This is what you are needed to do. Please go ahead. There are some deep oneness disciples. I don't even have to tell the full vision I have for them. I just have to give the part which they need to execute. They will do it and come back. They will be in my first priority list. Then the second priority is to whom I have to give a whole vision and the part they have to do. But I don't need to convince them that I am going to do good to them. They know it. That is second list. The third list only, whom I have to give the vision and the part they have to do, and I have to convince them that I am doing good for them. By the time your list comes, because I have too many people in the first list, second list itself, understand simple obedience is not losing what you have, but gaining everything master has. In my case, I was absolutely not only having simple obedience, demonstrating that intensely in every level to Arunagiri Yogeshwara. He was able to just like that convey his vision to me and make it happen. Understand? Listen. The greatest wealth of Kailasa is powerful cognitions you carry and you are able to manifest. With the simple obedience to Paramashiva, my Guru, he just downloaded all the powerful cognitions into me. I just know it is all reality. For example, first 2-3 powerful cognitions, when that became my reality, I just decided then all the lakhs of powerful cognitions he has revealed in the Vedas and Agamas, everything is true. I have given my simple obedience to him and simply it started downloading and becoming reality. Tadak, 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 tadak. I tell you, simple integrity with the Guru is most easiest and sweetest and simplest. Simple integrity is simple. Simple integrity is as simple as the word simple. Simple obedience is as simple as the word simple. Understand what I am saying. If you know what you are going to gain, you will understand how simple is the simple integrity and how simple the simple obedience is. Listen very carefully. Your simple integrity is asked not to exploit you, but to empower you. With the simple integrity, the highest things are downloaded into you. More and more of simple integrity I demonstrated to my Guru Paramashiva, the more and more powerful cognitions and powers are manifesting through me. Understand? Agama is not set of rules, it is set of operating powerful cognition. Is not like a traffic rules, go right, go left, stop in the red light. No, it is like a car owner's manual. Understand, you are mistaking Agama as a traffic rules. Oh, I have to obey, otherwise I'll get ticket. No. Agama is owner's manual of the car. How to drive, how to make the machine the best use. This cosmos is the car you are given. Agama is the owner's manual. Understand? Owner's manual is different, rules law book is different. You are a fool if you don't understand the difference between these two. Somebody who knows the owner's manual of the car, who operates the car, he stops the car without banging into the other car, or he stops at the red light. He may follow the traffic rules, no doubt. But Agama is not rule book. It is empowering owner's manual. Sitting with Guru is not getting control, getting empowered, getting powerful. Understand? Each day you sit with me, each day you spend with me, I go on empowering you with powerful cognitions and liberating you, giving you more and more freedom, powers of different dimension. I am absolute auspiciousness, Parama Mangala. Neither I was suffocated by my Guru, nor I will do any suffocation for you. I was experiencing absolute Mangalatva, auspiciousness with my Guru. I am experiencing absolute auspiciousness with my Guru. I will give you only that. Blessed are those who understand integrity is empowerment. Integrity is power. Authenticity is power. Responsibility is power. Enriching is power. Causing is power. Understand? Understand this. From now onwards, I wanted to teach these signs to people and tell them, you go and be successful in your life wherever you are. Once you become successful and understand the power of these truths, then want to be part of the Kailasa, come back. Otherwise, just go and be successful. I tell you, depth of integrity. Whether you are integrated to the wealth around you, or you are integrated to relationships around you, or you are integrated to the Paramashiva, the cosmic reality. Depth of integrity empowers you. Understand? Integrity is not demanding wow. It is empowering enlightenment. For example, when I received the Paramashiva's Atmalinga, I started wearing permanently that in my body. Not that I felt like oh, now it's a responsibility. I have to wear it permanently all the time in my body. No. I was so enamored and love with Paramashiva's Atmalinga. I started wearing it. Understand this great truth. Nothing, nothing, nothing is exploitative in Vedagamic lifestyle. Everything is empowering you. Understand? Nothing is exploitative. Everything is only empowering in the life. The powerful cognition which I revealed today. Listen with a simple integrity and start meditating on it. Whatever I have not conveyed through words when I had that experience will be downloaded into you directly. Understand? There are some files which can be transmitted through sound. There are some files which can be transmitted through this form. There are some files which can be downloaded into you by your simple integrity to me from wherever you are. For example, if you hear all these lies and rumors and false, stupid theories, oh, If you give simple integrity to him and go away to his ashram, you have to work whole day. You may be exploited. All right, who asked you to come? I don't want you to come. You be wherever you are. You be in your bedroom. You be in your couch. I'm not even asking you to move out of your couch. Sit there itself and experiment. Actually, in your couch, you be in your couch and I'll be in my simhasan. You happy, me happy. Be happy. That is good. Sit there itself in your couch and try this powerful cognition and experience power manifestation. That's all I am saying. With this powerful cognition, move the potato. So you will not be couch potato. Be in your couch and push this, internalize this powerful cognition into you with the simple integrity. This power, you can move the potato. If you move the potato sitting in your couch using this powerful cognition, you will no more be couch potato. I have nothing to gain from you. You have everything to receive from this powerful cognition. This powerful cognition today, which I revealed, is from Upanishad. When you just sit with this powerful cognition, your whole consciousness goes to the higher vertical time zones. From the higher vertical time zones, the powerful cognitions and powers get downloaded into your system. They get just oozed into your system. This powerful cognition today I gave. The sound which can be experienced without ears and the light which can be experienced without using these eyes and the smell which can be smelled without using this nose and the taste which can be tasted without using this tongue and the orgasm which can be experienced without using this body. Let me meditate on that and connect with that. With this, you stretch yourself to the vertical time zone. Your consciousness stretches itself to the vertical time zone. So from the Kailasa, the download starts happening in you. All you need is simple integrity. With that simple integrity to the Guru, sit and meditate. You will understand how this manifests intensely as powers. Understand, these great truths are directly from Upanishads. Some stupid fellows were telling that I am teaching black magic. Hey, loser. These are old accusations. I am neither teaching black magic nor teaching white magic. I am teaching golden magic. Paramashiva's magic. It's beyond magic. Understand? What I am teaching is pure Upanishad. Vedas, the essence of Vedas is Upanishads. The operating manual for the cosmos based on the principles of the Vedas and Upanishads is Agamas. What I am teaching is the pure Vedagamic sciences, which is the source for whole Hinduism. All sampradayas of Hinduism, Vedanta or Siddhanta, all of them are based at Vedagamas. Internalize this principle. I have nothing to gain from you. Don't feel listening to the stupid rumors and false theories. You may be exploited. Nothing to exploit. I have nothing to gain from you. Neither your money nor your beauty, or I have nothing to gain. You sit wherever you are, be in your couch. Just have simple integrity and apply this powerful cognition in you. And manifest it. Simple integrity is as simple as the word simple. Simple obedience is as simple as the word simple. If you start tasting, understand, when I started tasting the Guru's grace, Shaktipada of my Guru, I started seeing the simple integrity with him is saving my time and my effort and my struggle to achieve my goals. And the simple obedience to him is saving my life and my personal efforts I need to do and struggle unnecessarily to achieve my reality. He just simply does it. It is so sweet. The simple obedience comes with the feeling, wow, it is so sweet. He is so sweet, he does it for me. Actually, with the simple obedience, not that you become my worker, I become your worker. You realize that. With the simple obedience, not that you work for me, I work for you. That is the truth. Whoever realizes with a simple obedience, I start working for you, realizes the highest reality. I saw very clearly when I declared my simple obedience to my Guru, he started working for me. He put the sketch of my whole life and just like that made it into reality. And if I wanted to correct somewhere, add something, delete something, he would not have said no at all. But I decided to leave it to him because he is the best designer and executor, creator. Then just that's all. Enjoy. Enjoy. I tell you. The greatest gift you can have in your life is spiritual umbilical cord connection with the Guru. Because whoever is maintaining that connection with me, whatever Paramashiva downloads into the system, you get the first share immediately. Suddenly, it'll just enter into your system. In the dream, you will have Paramashiva darshan. In the waking state, suddenly you will have visions and darshans and kundalini experiences, power manifestation. Without even you knowing, you may be thinking, why this suddenly? Understand? Keeping the spiritual ambligate card alive. You go on, get showered. Abusing the Guru or listening actively the abusal done to Guru. Guru aparada, Shiva aparada immediately disconnects the spiritual umbilical cord. That is why in the Sivadiksha, one of the important instruction is you cannot cross the shadow of Shivalinga and you cannot do Shiva aparada or Guru aparada. Because not that you are controlled by that, when you do the abusal or actively listen to the abusal, that spiritual umbilical cord connection gets disconnected. Over. If you just keep that spiritual umbilical cord connection alive, whatever Paramashiva downloads into me simply is pumped into your system as much as you can receive and as much as you want. So today's powerful cognition. This powerful cognition will manifest three powers immediately. One, it will open the third eye. Because third eye is opened, you can manifest all the powers of third eye, like blindfold reading or remote vision, anything. Second, it will empower you to move any matter. Play with any matter. You can move potato or coconut. Try potato. So that we dedicate this cognition to couch potatoes. And the third important thing, listen to this. This is very important. It can give you the experience of materialization, not just items and objects, persons. You can remember somebody, you want that person near you. You will see that person is coming, reaching to you today or in next few hours or tomorrow, suddenly, or calling you. You can manifest people in your life. These three powers can start manifesting with this powerful cognition, because when this powerful cognition opens you to the Dvatashanta, Kailasa, the powers of Kailasa gets downloaded into you and the system starts manifesting powers. Play with it. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.